Hey guys, this is Valentina, your local Argentinian Spanish tutor. Welcome back to another video where I give you some tips and tricks and fun facts so you can perfect your Spanish and sound like a true native. Let me get my mate ready and let's get on with the video. This is for children. I'm about to be 20 years old. Doesn't matter. Argentinian intensifies. Today I want to talk to you about something called false cognates, also known as false friends. These are words, in this case in English and in Spanish, that sound or are spelled in very similar ways but mean completely different things. To mix up these words could get you in some real trouble. So stick around, grab a piece of paper and a pen, and I'll promise you won't regret it. Some of these words will blow your mind. So let's get right on it. Embarazo doesn't mean embarrassed. It means pregnancy. So you don't want to mix these two words. Embarazada means pregnant. So if you want to say I'm embarrassed, say estoy avergonzada or avergonzado instead. However, embarazoso does mean embarrassing. Actually, actualmente doesn't mean actually. Actual means current. Actualmente means currently. So if you want to say actually, you can say en realidad, which kind of translates to in reality. The verb realizar might look and sound a lot like to realize, but it actually means to do, or more specifically, to plan and effectuate something. The most accurate translation to realize is the Spanish expression darse cuenta. Let's see an example. I realized I forgot something. Me di cuenta que olvidé algo. By definition, a deception is the action of deceiving someone. However, decepción in Spanish means a disappointment. Deception in Spanish is un engaño. Recordar doesn't mean to record, it means to remember. The translation to the verb to record in Spanish is either grabar or filmar. Un billón in Spanish is actually a trillion in English. Although sano and sane have similar meanings, they are definitely not the same. Sano means healthy. Sane in Spanish would be cuerdo. Celular has two different meanings. One that matches the meaning of cellular in English, which is relating to or consisting of living cells, but also it means mobile phone. Balloon in Spanish is not balón, it's actually globo. Balón means ball. Don't ask someone out on a dato. Dato means fact. Date is cita. Diversión and diversion are spelled the exact same way, but they have two completely different meanings. Diversión means fun. Diversion in Spanish would be una distracción. Pie and pie are another two words that are spelled the exact same way, but in this case, the pronunciation changes enormously. Remember that vowels in Spanish are very simple. They are always pronounced the same way. A, E, I, O, and U. Pie means foot, and the translation to pie would be tarta or pastel. Contest and contestar sound really similar, but contestar actually means to answer. A contest in Spanish would be un concurso. And the last one for today is advertir and advertisement. Advertir means to warn. Advertisement in Spanish would be publicidad or publicitar, to advertise. Okay guys, and that's it for the video. The are dozens more of these false friends, so let me know in the comment section if you would like to see more of them. I hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn your notifications on so you don't miss any of our content. Follow us on all our social media and make sure to check out OCTB. We offer you the experience of learning Spanish with native Spanish speakers. Remember that your first demo lesson is for free. So I'll see you there. Nos vemos. Mwah.